There's a very famous saying in military circles. It goes something like this: God and soldier we adore, in times of danger not before. The danger over and all things righted, God is forgotten and the soldier slighted. Well, veterans of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force are feeling very slighted after Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government failed to live up to their promise of delivering on the one rank, one pension scheme within the first year of coming to power. One 1971 war hero went to the extent of refusing an invitation to participate in an event where Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar were to be present. Here's more.
They have selflessly put the nation before the self. Their gallantry in the service of the country has made India proud. And now, out of hostile battlefields, the country's politicians have let down the war veterans of India. War heroes taking to the streets, returning their medals and boycotting government ceremonies for a 3-decade-long demand of one rank, one pension. This 1971 war hero has chosen to not accept the honor the Defence Minister wanted to bestow upon him.
I got was that there is no action, talk only.
The issue of one rank, one pension appears to have been put on the back burner, more than a year after the BJP put it at the top of its campaign agenda.
भारत सरकार से मांग करता हूं कि वन रैंक वन पेंशन के संबंध में क्या स्थिति है, उसका व्हाइट पेपर घोषित करें.
Modi's war cry at his Rewari rally seems reduced to a poll slogan. What remains now is ambivalence.
I can assure you that we have done our exercise properly, so let us hope that it will be done at the earliest.
As anger mounts among those who have served the country, a voice amongst those still serving urged patience.
The Ministry of Defence is very seized of this problem, and to the best of my knowledge, a lot of progress has been made with regard to the progress on the one rank one pension, and rest is up to the government to take the final decision on it.
The 3-decade-long wait of war veterans became the fodder for a political face-off.
This is a issue of relationship between the country and its veterans. A commitment has been made by the country and its government to the veterans, and the commitment must be met.
1 year down the line, the Defence Minister is unwilling to make a commitment with regards to a timeline for its implementation. Whether or not the veterans take their fight to the next level remains to be seen. However, if and when they actually do that, the embarrassment will not just be for the government but for the nation as a whole. With camera person Zahir Bagh in New Delhi, Jugal Purohit reporting for India Today.